What you will need: eggs, a bowl of water, ice water, a saucepan, a pot, and a timer. Oh yeah. And some water. Step 1. Place eggs in pot and fill with water about yay much. Who says yay much? Me. Place pot on high heat and set the timer for 14 minutes. Fill small bowl with cold water. Step 4. Wait. Step 5. Drain boiling water in the sink, then place the eggs in a small bowl of cold water. Toss eggs. Fungal eggs. Crack and peel. You will stay there till you finish. Now
Wow.
Eat and admire. And you get rid of the skin.
Don't need to.
Yes, you do.